some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here. And now we have the infamous Henry Stick. You're going to be here for a long time. Grigori, take him. You wait here until cell found.
And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing
Up my guys and doing like 70 damage. That's funny. Oh yeah, that's not. Oh yeah, that's not. Okay.
If we can get you up there, you could get in and open this door.
Hold it right there, inmates. So, you say all inmates out of cell. Yeah, some idiot.
Hey, I just grabbed these. Maybe they'll come in handy.
Are we waiting for someone? Or? I thought you press. We'll regroup with her. There is convict here. Get down on ground. Let your cell in. Perfect.
Look, you think that will upset me? Well, tell him it's hard. Well, it isn't ready. There has not been an incident